Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Haifa Amira binti Hamzah. I am from Group 8 for our PEC 400 subject. So today I'm going to talk about our weekly reflection. We're conducting activity. We conducted activity with the theme of conflict management. So the objective is we want to make the students being able to manage their conflict in their daily life. So in my opinion, the objective of this activity had been achieved. Our activity is important to build team skills. Because when we're doing this activity, okay, we're doing it in a group mode, which means like every members of the group need to participate in managing the conflict that we're giving. When we're conducting an activity that involves in conflict, they need to team up to manage it and to solve the problem. So the question is in what way? So basically, as I said before, they need to team up and having a discussion to make sure they can settle down the problem together and managing the conflict in a creative way. They basically learn how to work not individually but in a group, and make sure that everybody participate in managing all of the problem, the conflict, and make sure everyone pouring their ideas and teamwork, do as a team. And they also can learn that individuality is important, but when you have something big, you have to solving something big that involves everybody around you. You need to try to cope in yourself with the group and try to solving every problem that you guys facing together. To talk about each member contribution in the activity. So basically we have 6 members. So for the introduction, Shaza had been in charge to introduce our group activities and group members. And then we have 9 dots challenge game. The first activity is conducted by Irfan, and then next activity is optical illusion features, which is conducted by Ain. And then the debate between negative and positive sides is conducted by Zafran. And the Among Us, me myself conducted the activity, even though we are not being able to conduct the activity, but basically I'm the one who need to explain briefly about the activity, but that's okay. And then lastly, the conclusion and reflection is presented by Sarah. When and how will participants use skills in the future? So basically, when we're talking about conflict management, this is something that everyone needs in their daily life, because we're facing everyday's argument. Like even the smallest thing can make up to really big things in our life. So when they participate in the activity, they learn how to cope themselves with everything. They need to open their eyes and not having a selfish way of thinking. So by they enjoying our activity, they can work together as a team, or they can basically being able to manage all of the conflict that they are facing in their daily life. And also, as we know, we're now our students, that our classmates, we're all students in MSU, and we basically need to work as a team. Like we need to make sure our result is good. We need to do some presentation in our class. So basically, teamwork is really important in this scope. And for conflict management, when you're doing something in a group, there of course have a argument a little bit, a conflict a little bit. So by enjoying our activity, their mind has been exposed to how they need to manage the conflict in a creative skills. That is all from me. Thank you.